This ancient Chinese monument contains 108 towers. But hidden inside this structure is a surprising math puzzle. Can you solve it? Here are 12 numbers: 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Divide them into 6 pairs. The 6-pair sums must form an increasing arithmetic sequence. What is the common difference? 2, 4, 6, or 8? Pause and try it yourself. Step 1. Add all 12 numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 equals 108. Because every number is used exactly once, this total controls every possible pairing. Step 2. Translate the total into pair sums. The 6-pair sums must also add up to 108. Therefore, their average is 18. For a 6-term arithmetic sequence, the first and last terms are equally spaced around 18, so their average must also be 18. Step 3. Let the common difference be d. The first pair sum must be 18 minus 5d over 2. Test the choices. If d equals 2, the first sum is 13, but no two available numbers make 13. If d equals 6, the first sum is 3, below the minimum possible pair sum. If d equals 8, the first sum is negative. Only d equals 4 gives a possible first sum of 8, and 3 plus 5 makes 8. Now we can build the complete sequence. The pair sums are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. They increase by 4 each time. Therefore, the common difference is 4. Would you like to solve another Chinese exam puzzle? Like this video and follow for more puzzles explained in English.